Okay, so a quick video explaining how to combine resistors in a nasty circuit diagram like the one here. Now, the key bit of this is you can't do it at once. You have to pick ones to try and combine. So you look for ones that are pretty straightforward. Well, I can combine these two very easily because those two are in series, and using my parallel laws I can combine these two here. And then, once you've picked a one or two to combine, redraw it. Okay, you cannot rush. Now obviously, I'm being a little bit lazy here. I'm not writing in the ohms, I'm just writing in 2, but we know, I hope you know, we're talking about 2 ohms. Okay, so what are the values that these two resistors going to be? Well, this one's nice and easy. 2 plus 2 gives me 4 ohms here. This one here, well, I know that the resistance there, 1 over RT, is going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, a half plus a half. Well, that equals 1. 1 divided by, 1 over RT equals 1, so RT itself will equal 1 ohm. Okay, then, well, I'm still a little way off finding the total resistance. What I need to do is I need to go backwards and to make this a little easier again. So I keep breaking it down. So the 2 and the 1 here, well, I can see those two are going to combine, and I redraw it. 2. So that was 2. This one at the bottom is now 4. Going from this. Okay, well, what's these two here? Well, they're in series with each other, which means I get 3 ohms here, and I'm still a little way off having this complete. So I do the process again. I'm going to take this one and I simplify it again. Now, it's a sneaky one. This one here is in series. All the current has to go through this resistor. So this is not 4 resistors in parallel. We've got 1 series in resistor and 3 in parallel. So I'll get rid of the parallel ones first. And I'll get to this now. My maths, it's going to be it's a bit trickier, this one. 1 over RT now is going to be this one here. It's going to be 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, which if I put that to 12ths is 6 over 12, bit of mental maths now, and that will give me 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12, gives me 10, gives me 13 over 12, so 1 over RT equals 13 over 12, therefore RT is equal to 12 over 13, so this is going to be 12 13ths. Now if I had a calculator I'd put this in decimal, but I don't, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And what do I do now? Well, I simplify one last time, find the total resistance for this circuit, and the total resistance for this is going to be 2 plus 12 over 13 ohms, and that's how you combine resistors in a complicated circuit.